Now, after showing us where the four Buddhas sat and walked, what do you call it? I'm sure you all would like to see the Kapala shrine, my friends. I'm sure you would like to see the Kapala shrine. Well, I will show it to you. It still exists. Now, there are two options of the Kapala shrine. One is Chak Cave and one is Dularpur. Kapala Dularpur. Kapala Dulara. What do you call it? And the other is Chak Came. Chak Ka Came Pala. What do you call it? Your Kapala is badly thing. Anyway, but this is the what do you call it? Temple. This is the preaching hall Zhang Zhang visits. Whether it's the Kapala or no, it is the Kapala. Now, Zhang Zhang goes east from the place where the four Buddhas sat and walked. That is your Gora. Gora. Now, Gora means feet. So that is the place where the four Buddhas sat and walked. He goes west from that to the Dularpur Mutt. Dularpur Mutt, which is your Kapala shrine most probably. And it is on the edge, on the banks of the moat, which was ran around Vaishali. That is your Pidholi. It was on the banks of the moat. And in Buddhist texts also, it is that way. And just opposite, on the other bank is Chak Amra, where the Buddha would stay with his son when he stayed in Vaishali. The Buddhist texts have mispronounced it as Ambalathika. Chak Amra is Ambalathika. Chak is Thika. And what do you call it? Amra is Ambala. So, and the moat is between them, between the Kapala and your Ambalathika. That is your Chak Amra. So, folks, check out Dularpur Mutt, where the Buddha gave several sutras. And the lovely part about that Dularpur Mutt is, Zhang Zhang says that it has high steeples. And folks, it has two very high steeples. Dularpur Mutt has two very high steeples. And Zhang Zhang says, what do you call it? It has a preaching hall in which the Buddha preached many sutras. Well, Dularpur Mutt has a preaching hall even today, without a roof. It's dilapidated, but it isn't as old as the Buddha's time. What I think is, as the old structure dilapidated, they made a new hall on top of it several times. So you have this, what do you call it, newer structure, but it's a hall without a roof. This is also dilapidated. So this is your Dularpur, which is most probably the Kapala shrine. And the, what do you call it, it is Mathadish is in charge, and he is also a Lichavi. He is also a Lichavi. So folks, check out the, what do you call it? Now, I have been to a lot of temples and a lot of places. You know, a very few places they say that wherever, whatever you wish, it is fulfilled. Especially in Zhang Zhang's case. Well, up here, Zhang Zhang says that, and when I went into the, what do you call it, preaching hall, one boy was saying that, ki whatever you ask is fulfilled. So folks, that is your Dularpur Mutt. Check out what Zhang Zhang has to say, then you can see it in satellite pictures, and then you can see the video of the preaching hall itself.